Hey everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Item Beauty Concealer reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with beauty products including lash snack, concealer, lip quick, quip brocho, lid glaze, cheek money, and etc. So you can shop the entire shades or your desired shade by visiting the particular product category list. So guys, you can read the description of the product. Now let's talk about the prices of these offerings. So guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. And let's talk about the shipping policy of this website. So for that you need to visit the shipping policy, guys. So this is the main column where you can find the standard shipping duration, and guys, they have mentioned that due to COVID-19 the current estimated delivery time for standard shipping is 6 to 12 business days. So this was the shipping information, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is really a positive sign and good sign. And talking about the domain information of this website was created on 23rd of September 2019. This means that this site is 3 months old, and this is a good sign, but we need to explore this website at the best level. So let's check out the details or our story of this website. This is the our story page, guys, and you can see they have mentioned the information related to the offerings, and you can also find the business owner name information here. So this is a good sign. Now let's check out the contact details of this website. So guys, you can stay with the company via your email address. You need to put your email address and then submit, and then you can get in touch with the company via email. And guys, I'm not able to find the company's official address and contact number on the website, which is a little bit a negative sign. But anyways, let's talk about the social media presence. So guys, this site has strong social media presence on Facebook and Instagram. And this time they have recently created a Facebook page, but yes, they have a strong social media presence on Instagram. You can find various comments on Instagram. Now guys, let's talk about the return or refund policy of this website. So this is the return and exchange page, and here you can see they have mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, to comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. Apart from that, the trust index score of this site is 60%, which is good. And talking about Item Beauty Concealer reviews, guys, we have found majority of positive reviews about the products and offerings of the site on the Instagram. And yes, you can also find out some positive comments on the website itself. So people are appreciating the quality of the products that they are offering. Here you can read some comments, guys. So these are the comments that they have posted about the offerings. One of the customers wrote, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I got the Sunday 3M and the lunar drop, and their pigments are absolutely astonishing. They are super easy to use and last all day. 10 out of 10 recommended. So guys, seriously, they have appreciated the offerings of the site, which is a good sign and define its legitimacy. So guys, in the final conclusion, I would say the website is professionally managed, but yes, they have not mentioned the accurate and complete contact details on the website, which is a negative sign. But yes, you can contact them via Instagram or Facebook. And this website appears to be legit, so you can give it a try. And you can also explore this website at the best level before making any online purchase. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more informative alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.